All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures beta. Learn basic JavaScript by building a role-playing game. Step 13. All right. So the player's inventory in our game will be able to hold multiple items. We're going to need to use a data type that can do this, all right? An array can be used to hold multiple values. For example, we've got let order equal this array right here. So an array is something wrapped up in these brackets. And we've got this thing here. This is our first element. This is our second element. And this is our third element. It could be, what goes in here could be strings like these. We could put numbers in there. We could put whole arrays in there. We could put objects, which we haven't even talked about yet. Booleans, which we also haven't talked about yet. And even we can put empty strings. They can be empty arrays too. So yeah, there we go. So this is an array which holds 3 values. So notice how the values are separated by commas. Yes, they're always separated by commas like this, all right? So we can change our inventory variable to be an array with the strings. Pardon me, what we are gonna do is change it to be the array with the strings stick, dagger, and sword, all right? So what we're gonna do first, we'll highlight this. We'll wrap it in brackets like this. Let's push the right arrow key and then the comma. Now you can do whatever you want on this. You can write it all out if you want, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to highlight all of this, copy it with a Control-C. I'll put the right arrow again, paste it 2 times. I'm gonna backspace 2 times to get rid of that extra comma. And then I'm gonna double click these other 2. The second one is say dagger, and I'll double click this one here and say sword. Now, is that faster? Is that slower? I don't know. I just don't like pushing shift and then going over to the arrow key. I just rather reach for the mouse. It's up to you what you want to do. So that should work. Let's check the code. Looks good. And submit. All right. Now we're on to step 14, and we'll see you next time.